Hi, welcome to KP's R Health. This is Dr. Krishna Priya, physiotherapist. We do most of our daily activities by using our hands, and it is common that we might be experiencing shoulder discomfort or pain while doing any of our activities, or by the end of the day we might experience some dull aching pain or nagging pain in the shoulder joint or in the shoulder region. So for people who are having such kind of problems, this video is for all of you. In this video, I would like to demonstrate 3 stretches and 3 simple exercises which take less than 10 minutes to perform, and when done regularly, these exercises and stretches can definitely reduce the shoulder stress and pains and also can prevent further problems which can happen in near future. So let's see what are these exercises. To start with the stretches, whichever side you feel the stress in the shoulder joint, the same shoulder has to be stretched. For example, if I am feeling discomfort or stress in my shoulder joint, right shoulder joint, I'll be stretching my right shoulder and my left hand will be helping to get the stretch in a better way. Stretch number 1. To stretch this shoulder, put that hand on the opposite shoulder. Place the palm region of the non-painful hand as shown above the elbow region and push the hand towards your chest. When you feel a mild stretch, hold it for 5 to 10 counts. Feel the stretch in this region and slowly relax. Let's do it another time. Place the hand on the opposite shoulder. Push the hand towards you using the other hand. Feel the stretch, hold and relax. Stretch number 2. Lift your hand up as shown. Bend at the elbow. Use the palm of the other hand, place it over the elbow and pull it towards the back of your head. When you feel a mild stretch, hold it for 5 to 10 counts and release. Let's see it another time. Lift your hand up, bend at the elbow. Use the non-painful hand to pull the painful hand towards the back of your head. Feel the stretch and relax. Stretch number 3. Perform stretch number 2 and slightly bend from the shoulder towards the non-painful side as shown. When you feel the stretch in this region, maintain it for 5 to 10 counts and relax. This is one of the important stretches that relieves the stress of some important shoulder muscles which commonly get strained in our daily activities. These are the 3 simple stretches that can be done for shoulder joint, and next coming to the 3 simple exercises, the number 1 is backward shoulder rotation. To do this correctly, move your shoulders as shown. Up, back, down, normal. Up, back, down, normal. Let's do it continuously. Backward shoulder rotation. Up, back, down, normal. Next, hand butterfly exercise. Sit or stand straight. Clasp your fingers. Place it behind your head. Get your hands in the front. Take them back as much as possible. Hold it for 5 to 10 counts. And get them in the front again, back, hold it for 5 to 10 counts. Repeat the exercise. When done the right way, this exercise will also correct postural problems like rounded shoulders and forward head posture. Next, shoulder slides. Sit or stand straight with your back touching the wall. Place your hands as shown. Slide your hands up and down the wall. Make sure the hands are sliding along the wall all the time. This exercise will strengthen the upper back muscles and reduce the load on the shoulder muscles and thus reduce your shoulder strain. These are the easiest and simplest shoulder stretches and exercises that can be done on a regular basis because they take less than 10 minutes to perform. and are definitely very helpful in reducing the shoulder stress, pain and discomforts. Not only pains and stress, this also improves your sitting and standing postures and also prevents the further complications that can happen with the shoulder joint in near future. So do these exercises regularly, spread the word to your friends and family members or to those in need. Let me know how you felt while doing these exercises. Subscribe to KP's Our Health. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Thank you.